Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Ai, Paitana whanga Wolseley. Good kick there by Wolseley. Tauranga boys retain the kick there. Tauranga applying a good pressure here. Patient. Tauranga will look to go wide once numbers are secured. Here we go. Back to Satu. Good pass there, good try. Henderson to Vunia. Vunia finding some space. Ray and Williams with the ball. Well fielded by Tauranga, not finding touch though. Kari te tino pai tana whana ki te taha. Rotorua recycle well, finding Henderson. Tamanaki tana pai with a strong carry. Good take there from Sam Hill from a pinpoint throw from Matt Bell.
Tauranga boys got their massive ball, driving them towards the line.
He painga kei a Rotorua advantage to them. Again, close to the try line. Ai, ke te hia kai ngā paumua, the forwards were hungry. Ollie James with the take. Strong drive there. Strong ball. Ball by Rotorua. Hiro, try.
Based on this, I'd say a drive, as our forwards are very powerful. But it is going to be a competition because Tauranga boys have been good on these moves.
Oh, Rotorua getting some momentum.
Oh, well done.
Try there. There's Moody stepping up in the absence of his other co-captain. Rotorua looking to ensure that there's no try there. Held up was the call.
And that is full time, everyone. And the score is 24-14. And our Rotorua boys have won the finals.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.